stand. Bother.
Here we go.
Yay, Dad.
There's a couple fish I missed.
Here comes Daniel, boys.
He's got some heft to him, you guys.
What is it?
Probably a northern. Oh, there's weeds right here. Son of a bitch.
We're at 11 feet. 11 feet.
Unless he's in the weeds.
Nice, nice.
I got one. I got one.
Oh my
Double. Shh, 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 shh.
Oh my god, Dad.
Easy, easy. All right, hold on. I got you guys. Here. Who's first? Who's first here?
Get Dad.
Not Dad. Holy.
Tommy's already in.
Okay, good play.
Tommy, you look to me. He's going nowhere.
Nice double.
He's got a lot of fight to him.
Yeah, he does, huh?
Do you want me to get something?
He sure
Want the
does.
glove?
What a way to start the morning.
He's not massive. I got him right.
Why? Why?
Come on, get him. Go ahead. Yeah, that's nice.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Jake's about to come out. It just, here, just like that.
He's so
Oh, it's out of him?
Pretty much.
Oh, wait a minute.
How about that to start the morning?
wow.
Day number 5.
Oh my god.
Lubra's outdoors.
A double.
Bringing some fish to you this morning.
Oh shoot.
And amateur hour.
Well, Mike, I don't have anything to hold him.
I'm just kidding.
Here, Dad, give me your phone.
Just gill him.
Gill. Hey, boys.
This picture is hilarious.
Guys, this is great.
Because that one's
Because that one's so small.
Want me to go one sideways? No? Okay. Here, Dad. We should get 2
That's
bones.
good. I'll go. Yeah, probably. He fought a lot.
Who's you not here that long? Come on. He's good.
Floating backs back in the winter.
At night?
In the winter. Mike, I was looking right at you and I saw you dangling with that. Here you go. You alright, Tommy? Ooh, a little daredevil. Where's the pliers? I'll try to get this out in the water and I'll bring the fish in.
Okay.
Don't want to.
I love when they come in like that with only the treble in their mouth. It's the little guy. Thanks.
Nice one, Mike. You want a lure fish?
Come on, this little wabbler. Red and white. Slow over the weeds.
Wabbler or
It says wabbler on it, yeah. Not a daredevil. Okay. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. was really in there. On the Senko?
On the Senko.
Come on, baby, be a nice bass. Little smallie? It was a smallie, huh? Flip her in, baby.
Largemouth, Daddy.
Yeah, get some bass action.
Nice, Tommy.
Sweet.
It's so cute.
Just flipped it in there, huh?
Could be somebody sleeping in this boat.
Yeah, true, true. Nice. Nice catch.
Got one. Nice.
You little. I want to say go. I was just.
It's a rock bass.
Is it? Is it really?
Yep. Is it? No, it's a regular smallie. Good. Tommy, those poles are great, aren't they?
That
Smallie.
was a nice spot.
Boat flip.
Want me to take the fish?
Is it just me or does smallmouth just like look weird? I see it.
It's a nice little smallie.
I saw the hit there. Oops, I saw the hit there too. It was weird.
Yeah, Mary, how'd you miss that one?
I don't know. I put it right now.
Sweet.
Might be a bass. Feels funny though. No, stay with it. It feels funny. What the hell is it? Just stay with it. Crash. Oh, there it is.
Oh my god! Oh, I thought it was a pike. Or I mean, I thought it was a monster bass.
That was a big bass.
I thought it was a huge largemouth for a second. I was all over that. That's a nice pike.
Yeah, Dad.
For a split second, huh?
Good hook. He's hooked real good. Here.
Is he?
Oops, I'm sorry.
Sorry, Tommy. My gums.
Bleeding so bad inside.
Beauty.
Look at he's bleeding. Good.
Yeah, he sucked the jig. It's coming out of his gill. Got that heavy jig.
Ooh, look at all that
He
blood.
kept goofing around with it. Is what he kept
You want a
doing.
picture? That's a nice one.
Yeah, it is.
He is just.
Nice fish, Dad.
Oh my god, he's bleeding so much.
Got him in the
Just using a jig on the bottom.
Poor guy.
Beauty. So he was playing with it, huh?
He came back at it. It was a good 10 seconds, 15 seconds after the initial bump that
Right.
I watched you after the bump.
you said stay at it, remember?
I watched you the whole time after you got that big bump.
That's slow motion right
You
there.
got the best of us on that one. Yeah.
That's total slow motion action.
Mike, will you be able to slow that down?
Yeah.
That was awesome.
That was sick.
What, he just whipped you?
That was probably that was the most aggressive one I've ever
Yeah,
seen.
he just totally slapped his tail.
Spoon. You know, I was turning my camera on. I think it's nice. I mean, maybe, I don't know. I turned my camera on. I was turning it on and I felt the bump with one hand on and it was a bunch of slack and everything.
Too hard to reach him off the bow.
Guys, I might have a nice one here. I can't even see it yet.
That's the trolling motor.
Looks like you have these. Oh. Ooh, that's a nice one. Yeah, there you go.
Ciao.
Watch these rods. We can get that out first.
You're dead?
Hold this one. Nice. This is a good one, Mike.
Yeah.
A good fighter. They're fighting good today.
All trebles in his mouth. I don't know if. Hold on, I don't know if he's going again. A little bit.
A little more in him, huh?
I love the feeling. Oh!
What happened?
Drop the boga.
Oh.
We have
He's out. He's out.
Did you catch it?
Yep, I got him here, Mike.
Oh, the boga.
Yeah, it's kind of floating.
He's got it.
Oh.
Yeah, but
Catch the fish, though. Wouldn't that be funny if the? Wouldn't that be funny?
But
No.
eventually.
Wouldn't that be funny if the boga's going like the float like a big bobber?
That's sweet.
He's a nice one.
good one.
Yeah, he's a nice fish.
Take a pic.
Good for you, Mike.
He's a little
Wanna
messed
pick a
up.
pic?
Wait, look at him. He's a little messed up over here. Hi, dude.
He's alright.
Oh, I just want to see it.
See, it's stuck in there. Is this loose? Well, actually, the eight. You know what? The little 8 thing is right up here, so we should go upstream. From here, gonna go. It's 30-something feet of water.
How deep is it now? Okay.
That one,
Yeah.
looks like that's a heavy fish right there. Gotta be. See it? Watch that trolling motor.
I see it.
It's pretty good.
Mess around in this. Coming back here. Oh, he's not that big.
Good job, Mike. I'm a little paranoid about this.
Bitch, I thought I had him twice. 3 times I thought I had him.
I can't see him now, so. Oh. I thought I felt the bump when I was sitting, so I stood up. This jig has caught a bajillion
Nice
fish.
Mike.
Thanks.
He's a nice fish.
I'll take a picture. Why not?
Okay.
You know, I think I saw a little bit of weeds, you know. Stop.
Want me to help you, Mike?
No.
It's delicious.